I'm Gary Rosen here on the set in Chambers for Hot Bench. With me is the new judge, Judge Michael Corriero. Absolute pleasure and honor to be with you, sir.
Thank you. The feeling's mutual.
Thank you. What has it been like so far to be on a three-judge bench?
It's been an extraordinary experience, and what's made it especially extraordinary is the support that I see around me, the people that I've had a chance to meet, and I think it's a very exciting opportunity to have such an extraordinary relationship with two other judges who I admire very, very deeply, and to try and do justice for litigants. And even though the cases may not seem like they're multi-million-dollar lawsuits, these cases mean an awful lot to the people that come before us. And I'm really pleased that I'm having an opportunity to help to resolve their problems and their issues in a positive way.
Now let's talk about your background, which is really extraordinary.
Mm-hmm.
Going way back, you were born in Little Italy.
Yes.
If the viewers can't hear it, I think from New York. You have a little bit of a New York
City,
accent.
Manhattan's Little Italy, actually.
You went to St. John's Law School.
Yes, I did.
You, of course, started as an attorney, became a judge. You were in New York, in the New York court system for 28 years.
The last 16 years, I had the responsibility of resolving the cases of all the 13, 14, and 15-year-old children who were being prosecuted as adults. And they were facing significant imprisonment and potential criminalization. And as I saw my role, it was to try and identify those young people that I thought we could work with safely by channeling them out of the system and placing them in alternative to incarceration programs, carefully monitoring their performance and trying to help where we could, and where we couldn't, trying to be as fair and just in terms of a sentence.
And that's something that you've been passionate about for years.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, after you retired, but I want to talk to you about being a judge. Then you went into Big Brothers and Big Sisters.
I left the bench to become the executive director of Big Brothers Big Sisters of New York City, because it is an organization that has a wonderful mission. The idea of linking young people who are at risk of getting into trouble with citizens in the community who want to help and extend a hand and to demonstrate what life is like through positive observation is, to me, a very significant way of letting young people feel the value of who they are.